According to the latest reports, Shaurya hypersonic surface-to-surface ballistic missile, developed by Defense Research and Development Organization, DRDO. It is one of the top missiles in its class with advanced navigation systems, propulsion system and control technologies. The Shaurya is 6.2T canister-launched missile with a 10 m length and 0.74 m diameter. It boasts an intermediate operational range of 700 to 1900 kilometers and a payload weight of 180 to 1000 kg. It can carry conventional or a 17 kT yield nuclear warhead. The Shaurya is actually a land variant of Indian K-15 submarine-launched missile. The first flight test was conducted in 2004. Further successful tests occurred, the latest in 2011 before the missile was officially inducted into service in 2013. The Shaurya fulfills the tactical need of the country in offensive-defensive scenarios. The canister launch capability improves the mobility of the system even in rough terrains and bad weather. The propulsion system of the Shaurya uses a two-stage solid propellants to attain a speed of Mach 7.5 and flight altitude of 40 km. It is also incorporated with advanced ring laser gyroscope, resulting in a good accuracy of 20 to 30 mCp circular error probable (CP). The two-stage propulsion starts with the first stage solid fuel booster pushing the missile to a 5 km low atmospheric pressure altitude. At this point, the second stage starts and an interstage coupling mechanism, soft stage, separates the missile parts. The second stage payload rises to its flight altitude and conducts in-flight maneuvers to increase the accuracy before plummeting towards it during the atmospheric re-entry. The outer temperature rises to about 700 degrees Celsius and composite nozzle with metallic backup and carbon phenolic liners protect the payload, associated electronics during the re-entry stage. The hypersonic speed of the missile offers minimal chance of getting destroyed by any interceptor missile. Besides, the missile is highly maneuverable like a cruise missile and has reduced signature, rendering it invisible to the satellites to a very high extent. Further improvements to the missile system include better operational range, accuracy, and increased payload capability. Improvement in speed offers better chances of avoiding interceptors and to strike the target with minimal time. Jai Hind.